When it comes to selling on Amazon, customer trust and reviews aren't just nice to have, they're absolutely needed or you don't get the sale. Without them, CTR and CVR are garbage, your PPC costs skyrocket, and Amazon buries your product in search results. But here's the problem. Getting reviews is harder than ever thanks to strict Amazon policies, skeptical customers, and even shady competitors. So in the first half of this video, I'm going to break down why reviews are such a challenge for new sellers, and in the second half, more importantly, I'll break down the best ways to overcome them so you can build trust and maximize your sales. But real quick, before we jump into it, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media. We help Amazon sellers optimize their listings with high converting product photos, videos, and graphic design to boost those CTRs, click-through rates, and CVRs, conversion rates. If you want free access to an Amazon listing audit, visit EMAAMZ.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and book a free Zoom call with me. The problem: why getting reviews is harder than ever. 1. Customers are hesitant to buy unproven products. Let's be real. If you're shopping on Amazon and see two nearly identical products, because they probably sourced it from the same place in China, and one has 1,000 reviews and another one has 0, which one are you choosing? Customers are basically using reviews as a shortcut to trust. No reviews, no credibility, and no trust. And that makes it incredibly hard to get those first few sales that lead to organic growth and organic ranking. Number 2, Amazon's strict review policies. Amazon has cracked down hard on review manipulation. That means no incentivizing reviews whatsoever, no offering discounts in exchange for feedback, and definitely no getting friends and family to leave reviews. If you get caught, best case, you get reviews wiped. Worst case, your account gets suspended and shut down and you're gone. So relying on the old school just ask for reviews strategy, that's not going to work anymore. Number 3, fake reviews and competitor attacks. Here's the ugly truth. Some sellers play dirty. Fake negative reviews, upvoting bad feedback, even hijacking your listing to manipulate ratings. It happens more than you think. And since Amazon's automated systems aren't perfect, dealing with this can be a massive headache. Number 4, the cycle of no sales equals no reviews. This is the classic chicken and egg problem. Customers won't buy from you because you have no reviews, but you need sales in order to get reviews in the first place. So unless you have a solid launch strategy in place, your product can sit on page 10 forever, waiting for momentum that never comes. Number 5, Amazon's review removal issues. Even when you do get real organic reviews, Amazon's system sometimes flags them as suspicious and removes them. It's frustrating, especially when you've worked so hard to build up social proof. The worst part is that there's no clear way to get those reviews back. Now, before we move on to the solution of actually getting reviews, you need to know this. According to most data on Amazon, around 1 to 2% of buyers actually leave reviews, meaning for every 100 purchases, you can expect roughly 1 to 2 reviews to be written. So if you have a 5% or higher review ratio, then things could look kind of sketchy to Amazon and they may start looking into your account closely. The solution: how to get reviews and build trust. 1. Use Amazon Vine if eligible. Amazon Vine is one of the few legit ways to get early reviews. It allows you to send free products to Amazon-approved reviewers in exchange for honest feedback. It's not perfect. Reviews can be brutally honest, but it's a great way to get those first few reviews to kickstart momentum. Number 2, leverage influencers and user-generated content, or UGC. Instead of violating Amazon's policies, use micro-influencers to build trust off the platform. Send your product to these creators for unboxing videos, social media shoutouts, and UGC that gets people excited about your product. You can't ask for an Amazon review, but you can use this content to drive traffic to your listings, which naturally leads to more sales and organic reviews. Number 3, drive external traffic to your listing. Amazon loves when sellers bring in external traffic, and it can help break the cycle of no sales equals no reviews. Running TikTok ads to a warm audience can help generate those first few orders. And if your product is good, the reviews will follow. You can also recruit brand ambassadors, which are content content creators that create and post content regularly for your brand in exchange for a payment per video, an affiliate commission, or a hybrid of both. I highly recommend creating a short, easy to remember redirect URL that can be said in a video and will drive traffic directly to your Amazon listing page. For example, I say emaamz.com, and that links people directly to my website, which actually has a lot longer domain name of evolvemediaagency.com. Number 4, target niche audiences first. Trying to appeal to everyone right away is a mistake. Instead, launch with a very specific audience in mind, one that's passionate about your product category. These niche buyers are more likely to take a chance on a new product, leave reviews, and become repeat customers. Finding these audiences or communities in Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or influencer communities can give your product the push it needs. For example, people that own Jeeps and go off-roading a lot is a community you could target, make an impression with, and if your product serves them well, they're probably gonna talk about your product and share your product. Building trust and getting reviews is one of the biggest challenges new sellers face, but it's not impossible. Focus on leveraging Amazon Vine, influencers, external traffic sources, premium branding, and targeted audiences to build early momentum. And if you want help optimizing your Amazon listing with high converting content, book a free listing audit at emaamz.com. On the Zoom call, I'll go over ways to increase your CTR and CVR, plus you'll get a free Amazon listing checklist, a roadmap to ranking higher organically, and our product launch guide. Again, head to emaamz.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and then book a free Zoom call. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.